Henderson Land Goals larger position in tackling Hong Kong's housing hassle. Hong Kong Henderson Land OTC, HLDCY Development County, considered one of Hong Kong's 4 most important builders, plans to lend extra land to the government to construct transitional houses and is keen to help accelerate development of an area close to the Chinese border. Martin Lee, co-chairman of Henderson, which has the biggest farmland reserves among builders, stated Hong Kong's pledge to construct the northern metropolis is an inevitable trend, because the economic hub integrates deeper with the Greater Bay Area (GBA). With the development possibilities within the Greater Bay Area, many locals may be interested in reside inside the Northwest New Territories in the destiny, Lee informed in an email interview. The Hong Kong authorities unveiled plans for the Northern Metropolis final year, with an intention to provide homes for around 2.5 million human beings in remote districts close to the mainland border in a bid to ease a persistent housing scarcity. The improvement could be a stone's throw from the Greater Bay Area, a Chinese authorities' scheme to hyperlink Hong Kong, Macau and 9 towns inside the southern Chinese province of Guangdong. Affordable housing has been a concern for all of Hong Kong's leaders since the town returned to Chinese rule in 1997, but notwithstanding their efforts, many human beings nevertheless reside in cramped flats in one of the world's maximum pricey assets markets. Hong Kong's new chief, John Lee, said he could be pragmatic in growing land and housing deliver, responding to Chinese President Xi Jinping's current aim to provide a better existence, a larger flat, for Hong Kong people. Beijing identified housing woes as a first-rate factor at the back of discontent in Hong Kong, mainly a few of the metropolis's kids, that brought about the pro-democracy, anti-government protests in 2019. In recent years, builders have stepped up assist for Hong Kong's housing policies as China advised companies to do greater for society. Henderson owns the most land in the rural regions. It has applied to a central authority pilot scheme to construct public housing on a farmland plot, and lent idle land to the authorities for building transitional housing, a temporary solution for human beings to improve their residing conditions earlier than they are allotted public housing. If the authorities intends to take lower back the land for the construction of public housing or for different public purposes, we can additionally cooperate, stated Lee, who took over the property massive together with his brother from father Li Shao-Ki in 2019. International financial hub echoing calls by means of different employer leaders, Lee, 51, advised the authorities to reopen Hong Kong's borders with the mainland and simplicity worldwide journey regulations, which he mentioned might assist raise the town's property marketplace. Henderson goals to come to be the biggest workplace landlord inside the town's important financial district of Central as it invests $8 billion in a harborfront web page and completes the construction of its new tower, the Henderson, in 2023. The Henderson, designed by using Zaha Hadid architects and inside the shape of a bauhinia bud, the city flower of Hong Kong, lately confirmed a 20,000 square feet hire with U.S. private equity firm Carlyle Group, Nasdaq, CG, Lee advised. Carlyle declined to comment on the workplace hire or supply details about its present-day Hong Kong workplace space. A character with knowledge said, but, the flow may be in growth for the U.S. corporation. Last year, British auction residence Christie's became the Henderson's first anchor tenant, leasing 30,000 rectangular fort. It suggests that these multinational corporations have forged a vote of self-assurance in the long-term destiny of Hong Kong as an global economic center, said Lee, including there may be nevertheless strong call for high-quality business homes notwithstanding a slump within the workplace market amid the pandemic.